Alright guys, I'm on this for Ben Decker. He's got the Charlie Brown, or picked the 3 ounce or the Charlie Brown. 6:01 p.m. We're going to go live. We are live. 6:01 p.m. We're going to grab a list. 20 spots. Drop it into random. We got 20 entries. Bill Carroll's got the ends. We are going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 5. We're going 5 times. Good luck. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 times. Dice was a 5. Next click. Top spot wins. Good luck. And 5. Congrats, Bill Carroll. Spot number 20. You are the winner. Get in touch with Ben and make your choice. We are done. 6:02 p.m. We'll go back. We will type done. We are done. 6:02 p.m. 6:02 p.m. Here is the timestamp and verification.